Hi friends, welcome back. I want to show you today, I just took these hot rollers out of my hair and I just got these new hot rollers. Okay, Conair, got them on Amazon, like $23 with shipping, and it's so old school, but it's kind of like, look at it, it's kind of a cute little glam. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to show you how to do this. So I'm kind of going to go backwards, like I've already done it, but now I'm going to show you how I did it. By the way, if you haven't been watching my other videos, go back and watch them. And don't forget to subscribe because I have so many things to tell you, things that I love, shopping wise, makeup. So watch my videos, but thanks for being here. How is everyone? I feel like I've been traveling a lot and busy and anyways, okay, I'll chit chat while I do this. It comes with these 5 clips, okay? So 5 clips, literally I did this with 5. The 5 that it comes with is the only 5 I did. But today, okay, if you watch my other modern hot rollers, this is a little different because this is a little old school and it kind of reminds me of getting like a blowout, kind of that look. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, just in a nutshell, I'm gonna do 3 down the middle, and then whatever hair's left remaining, I do 2 going this way. So, okay, here we go. This is not very glamorous video, that's for sure, but I did do my makeup today, which by the way, I have to go through and do a new makeup video. I haven't done that in a while. So I've been busy. I'll catch up with you. We went on a business trip, went to Barcelona and Mallorca. That was amazing. Okay, so see this? You're just gonna go, the first one goes right here in the front and it rolls back. Okay, it's hard to talk and do your hair at the same time. But anyways, so I did that. And so look at my Instagram if you want to see details of that trip. And what else have I been up to? Oh my goodness, my girls were here and they did Coachella. So that was kind of fun. That was this week. And then Stagecoach is coming up and I'm actually going to go this year. So the struggle is real with the Stagecoach outfit. If anyone has any ideas, comment below. Okay, so that's the second one. Here's the third one. Again, you're just kind of taking about, I would say, like 3 inches worth of hair, about that. Well, you can see there, like about the width of your finger width, okay? That's how much hair you're taking from the top. 1, 2, 3. This is so easy, okay? And then ready? That's just the third one. You take it to the end, roll it back. Now again, these 3 are going back towards the back of your hair like that. Again, get a clip like this. Okay, so then whatever hair's remaining, and I know it seems like a lot of hair, you just divide it in half like that. And on one side, and I brush it. I have this cute little wet brush from like Walgreens that I use, but take it, and now this way, you brush it out, and you're gonna kind of go sideways. So you're gonna kind of pull your hair out sideways like this, and then you just take it, and this one's gonna go vertical. So these are going back like this, but these last 2 are going vertical. You just literally, it's kind of tricky because there's a lot of hair. Take it, and make sure the end, see that part drop, it's fine. We can take it to the other. Make sure the end isn't bent. So kind of take it to the end, like make sure it's all, take it to the end of the roller and then roll it back like that, okay? And again, even if it drops out, it doesn't matter because it'll go to the other side. And you just hold that there like that. Clip it kind of, and you kind of want to grab the hair in the back of your head when you grab it. Okay, same thing here. So you brush it out and you're going to kind of pull it out, horizontally, but the roller is going to go vertically, if that makes sense. Okay, again, take it to the end, holding it so that all the hair is at the end, and then just start rolling it back vertically like that. Okay, and then you clip it. And then, yeah, I usually run around the house, put a load of dishes in, put a load of laundry in, whatever. And then when that's done, you start with the first one you began with, you know what I'm saying? Because it'll be in there the longest. And then you just take it out and voila. Isn't that cool? So it's kind of a glam look. Now this would be probably date night or an event or just, and also my hair is really curly. The thing that hot rollers do, the heat of the hot roller kind of calms down the frizz. And I love that about that. So you just keep taking them all out. And now if you want to get really crazy and glam, like you can like tease it up with a brush or, you know what I mean? Like back comb it like that. And then it'd be like really glam and crazy. But I don't want to do that. Oh my gosh, though, come on. Doesn't that look like a blowout? Okay, so then you take this one out. You just take them out one at a time the same way you put them in. And then, let me just let them go. It's just like a loose wave glam wave, like as if you went to the beauty salon and had your hair blown out. Like, how great is this, right? Okay, so then at the end, I just kind of run my fingers through it like that. And then if it's too, do I look like Jacqueline Smith from Charlie's Angels? Yeah, I think so. Anyways, but it's just a fun glam. These are so great. Conair 5-pack from Amazon. Order them, and there you go. There's an easy glam way to get ready. And this is great for second day hair. And anyways, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next week, love ya. Bye.